How does Bayware compare to other solutions? Bayware is a multi-cloud service mesh that securely interconnects widely distributed application microservices across any public or private cloud on any mix of VMs or containers so that you can migrate to clouds and microservices faster, simpler, and more securely. Why a multi-cloud service mesh? Well, the service mesh value proposition to DevOps is strong. It eliminates dependencies on shared IT. However, today's service meshes assume locality, that is a single flat trust domain, whereas many applications are highly distributed across multiple clusters, data centers, or clouds. And distributing today's service meshes is complex. It requires writing code for a collection of proxies and configuring multiple network and security elements, which we show here. Bayware enables DevOps to be self-sufficient. For a highly distributed use case, a standard service mesh stack requires you to configure multiple solutions with a lot of help from additional experts. Bayware works with any client-side proxy to deliver all of the services from the service registry and discovery all the way through to security in an all-in-one solution that DevOps can manage. If we look at this on a 2x2 matrix where the vertical is responsiveness to application change and the horizontal is the effectiveness of the networking, you can see there's a trade-off in the industry. An application mesh, a client-side load balancer, is excellent at responding to applications. That's what it's for. But it's not very good at creating secure networking. Whereas software-defined networking fabrics are shared, but they're excellent at delivering the networking and security. They just never were built to respond to an individual application's needs. And that means a lot of other solutions have appeared in the middle that you have to configure to make those things work together. Bayware breaks this trade-off with a simple all-in-one solution to interconnect your services for your application. It doesn't require you to change anything in the layer 2 in order to get the full benefit of the solution. Bayware does this with multiple differentiating technologies. We use an intent model as code that eliminates all configuration. We're control plane only, for example, using eBPF for faster execution and no change to the application code. It's all Linux networking, so it works the same everywhere. And it's based on service names and service affinity, so you have automatic policy scale out. And every flow is its own microsegment. That, combined with the use of certificates and tokens everywhere, create a zero trust security environment end to end. And Bayware is built for today on cloud and DevOps capabilities. You deploy and manage Bayware with an Ansible-based fabric manager that uses command lines and playbooks. It's an open repository of those playbooks. It's all Linux networking. As I've mentioned, there's no Bayware component in the data path, and there's no central control point of failure. It's entirely distributed. We use all open source encryption and certificates, and we use cloud-native telemetry and events. So we'll hope that you'll learn more about Bayware at bayware.io. Thank you.